Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all our animals that we have on the farm. So down there we have the cows. Y'all basically seen all of them, and our donkey and our mule. We have Noah, which is our donkey, and then we got Molly, which is our mule. And Molly's is probably gonna have a baby mule because no one Molly breed it. So yeah, they made it. So yeah, and then Swayback's having a baby, and Chloe just had a baby. And some other cow had a baby too. So we have 2 new cows, and we're probably gonna have 2 more. Then we're probably gonna have another new cow coming from Swayback. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you our hunting dogs. Right here, y'all seen them in one video, but right here, this is Bumper. Right here. Yeah, right here is Bumper. Then right over here, we got little Lil-Ann. And then we got Sam. Then inside they got Max and Minnie. Max, also known as Pork Chop Jr. Originally he was Pork Chop, but now his son is Pork Chop, and he's Pork Chop Jr. because his son is Jax at my house, and Jax is like 5 times the size of Max, and Max is like 7, 8 or something, 9, something like that. Jax is like 5, 6 or 7. And then for the cows, we got Daisy, which is a baby that Chloe had. And then we got Buford, which came from, I think it was either Mamalu or something like that, I don't know. Then we got Chloe, Mamalu, Swayback, Titus, which is our bull. Then we got Noah, Molly, and Swayback's having a baby. Molly's having a baby. I'm naming Molly's baby, and I'm gonna name Swayback's baby. And I like Swayback's baby because Swayback. I like Swayback because Swayback has good looking cows. Like Swayback is a black cow, a black Spanish cow, but her last baby was red, so we named, and it was a girl, so we named it Ruby. But my papa is having to get a kidney transplant, so they sold Ruby. They used to have Bella, but they sold Bella. And which other ones did they sell? I'm trying to think. I know they sold Bella and Ruby, and then I think did they sell Reba? They might have sold Reba, I ain't sure. Cause I've been down there a couple of times and I haven't seen Reba at all, so I think they got rid of Reba. Then there's a few more. They sold Janice, which was and which was bullying Noah, and then as soon as Noah and Janice were getting along and they was fixing to start dating, they got rid of Janice. They sold all of them to the same person. The person needed a donkey or a mule or something to protect their animals. That my papa sold them. Then I think that they sold let me think. I don't really remember. I think that's it. But yeah. But as I was saying, I like Swayback's babies because all her babies are red Spanish cows. It seems like, cause the last one that she said that she had was Ruby, which was a red one, and I'm hoping that this time she's gonna have another red one. And Chloe had a black cow with a white belly. Most of the cows that come from are black because they all come from Titus, and Titus is a big black cow. Whenever I say big, I'm talking 500 pounds over here, like 500 pounds over here, looking like if Titus stood on its on his back legs, he would look like a grizzly bear or a black bear. But yeah, y'all might be able to see Chloe. Yeah, there's Chloe right there. Yeah, there's Chloe. There is Daisy. There's Noah and Molly. Then Titus probably somewhere over there in them trees. No, wait, never mind. Titus is right there, standing next to Chloe. And Swayback and Mama Lou are over in the trees, laying down, being lazy. And so I'm gonna get down to Little Ann now. So Little Ann used to be over in the barn, and her job was to alert us if something happened to the animals. But she didn't do her job too good, and she bit Mama Lou in the butt, and Noah grabbed Mama, or it might have been Swayback or Mama Lou, because the thing is, Swayback and Mama Lou look the exact same, so I get them mixed up a lot. So it's either Swayback or Mama Lou. And as I was saying though, Noah like grabbed her neck, and she got freaked out, and she took off running towards me. Like I was like standing like right by my pawpaw, but then I seen her running at me, so I backed up as far as I could, but my pawpaw didn't for some reason, and yeah. The cow ran into his knee. But then after that, the cow realized what it had done and turned around and like walked up to my pawpaw and looked at him like she was apologizing to him. But yeah, that was the first time that somebody got hurt. That the cows hurt somebody here, but she didn't do it on purpose though. She got freaked out, so she started running. But yeah, besides that, nobody got hurt. Like none of the like these cows don't hurt nobody really. Like they're pretty nice. I mean, but besides that, my papa did get kind of hurt whenever he tried to ride Molly. But I don't know. I think that was kind of his fault, because he just climbed up on her back and she started jumping and she weren't trained to ride and she was just jumping and kicking and bucking and she bucked him off and he got hurt. But besides that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nobody really got hurt. Yeah, but I'm going inside. It looks like it's about. It looks like it's about to rain, and I hear thunder in the background. I'm going in. Mom, in there, I'm gonna show y'all Pork Chop Junior and Mini Moo Moo.
Steve, what you know? I love you and let you know. And I'll talk to you maybe
There's
tomorrow because I'm going to be watching
Pork Chop Junior.
I get it. Alright, I'll let you know. I don't want nothing. I love you.